Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Process Simplification. In this tutorial, I'll explain you how you can easily make a summary. If you don't know the formula, then don't need to worry about it. In the first step, just take a glance over the data. This is the sales data where the region, sales representatives and the items along with dates and the quantity are sold along with revenue. Just jot down all the points or whatever your requirement along with the references of the data as I have mentioned here. You can check it out. Okay, in the next step, you have to copy your query into the Chat GPT and then just to wait. Now copy the formula and paste into the Excel. Well, I have mentioned my query according to the sequence of my summary table. Okay, then just copy the second formula and then just paste it. But again, I'm just focusing on one thing that you must be precise in your query while asking to the Chat GPT, that you must have given the sheet names, you must have given the cell references range, and you must be precise that what actually you want to calculate. Okay, now this is the unique item count, and then we are just moving to the next formula, that is about the total revenue. We just pasted here. Then next formula of finding the max sale amount region wise. Then next in the next we are supposed to find the minimum sale amount. So there is a min ifs. Just paste it. Okay, then the next formula. This formula is very unique to find a distinct name of that item which has the greatest sale in the region. And literally, if I have to write this formula, it will take too much time. And then the same case goes with minimum condition. And then okay, so there is the last formula that is missing in the Chat GPT due to network connectivity issue or might be something else. So again, we are just we are asking that just last part is missing to calculate the best salesperson name against region in cell A2 sheet summary. So Chat GPT just giving the answer and just making the formula. Let's wait and check it out. Now the formula is almost ready. Okay, now this formula is ready now, and then just copy it and paste it into the I2. Okay, just drag it. So Keval is basically the best salesperson who has made the largest sale in central region. So similarly, there is another summary, and for that summary, but in that summary, we are looking for the sales representative stats. We are just supposed to make the summary on the basis of the sales representative. So what we'll do, I'll simply just make a one query here that now the same formula are required for the salesperson summary, where all the fields will be same, but region will be changed. So just replace the region from the salesperson and then just write the summary here. So what would be the formula? Let's check it out. So ChatGPT just has the capacity or tendency that it just memorize the thing, and according to the memory or the previous query, it would just link, and it will automatically get that where the salesperson's column was in your raw data, and it will modify the code according to, or it will modify the formula according to the requirement. Now you can check it out that it has given the data along with complete details, and also you can check the number is matched here. So similarly we just copy the second formula here. So all the steps are same that we have taken for the first summary. In the second summary we are also supposed to copy the provided formulas into the summary sheet. Then max formula, then min formula for the same situation to find out the largest minimum sale amount item. Now identify the item which has the maximum sale amount. Okay, just copy this formula to get the minimum sale amount. Okay, just put the is equal to here. So we have got the items as well. Now you can check it out that the summary is ready now, or within a few clicks or within a few steps, and it's very easy. So but you have to make it ensure that your points must be very clear and your query must be very precise along with the references, so ChatGPT can create the formula for you. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also share your experience in comment sections. Thank you.